Shared travel is the most luxurious form of traveling that most people love. To have a convenient journey, it is necessary that you are well prepared in advance. 1. Put your name and address both inside and outside of your travel bag or suitcase. 2. Leave all medicines, jewelry, airplane tickets, money, passports, camera or other valuable out of the checked luggage. You should hand carry these items with you. 3. Pack your cosmetics, lotion, shampoo or anything that might break or spoil your clothes into a plastic or unbreakable container. 4. You should take a statement from your physician with details of any particular problems like allergies and a copy of medication needed. You should anticipate any medication you would require and carry it with you. 5. Make a list of the items in your luggage in case you need it. 6. Remove any hooks or pull straps before checking luggage so it won't come off while handling. 7. When you leave the aircraft, you should look around to make sure that you have all your personal items with you because airlines cannot be held responsible for items left on board. Have a happy trip. Shared travel.